Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE. Today we will see exercise 8.4 Roman number 5. Okay, so Roman number 5 we are going to discuss only two options today. In the next video we will see the remaining questions. Okay, let's get into the first option. So here we have the first option. Prove the following identity. Means we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So we are going to take LHS side and we are going to prove this RHS. Okay, so let's take your LHS part. So let's take LHS. LHS we have here cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to, we have to prove 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so let's take now LHS side. So here we have the formula for cosecant theta and cot theta. Let's apply that reciprocal formulas. For formulas I'll write here. Cosecant theta reciprocal formula is 1 by sin theta, and cot theta reciprocal we have, it's not reciprocal, cot theta formula cos theta by sin theta. So these two formulas we are going to apply now. Let's apply to the LHS side. So cosecant theta we can write 1 by sin theta minus cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta. Square is there, let's take whole square. Okay, now common denominator is there, let's take the common denominator sin theta, and let's take numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now split the square for numerator and denominator, then you will get 1 minus cos theta whole square, square is not there here, by sin square theta. Okay, now we have the identity here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If we want sin square theta, this we can take opposite, then sin square theta is equal to, you will get 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of this sin square theta, we can apply 1 minus cos square theta. Numerator place we have there 1 minus cos theta whole square by, for this only we are going to apply this 1 minus cos square theta. See, 1 can be written as 1 square, because 1 square value again you will get 1 only. So this we can split, like a square we can write a into a, no? In that model we can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Just we are splitting like this. Okay, by 1 can be written as 1 square minus cos square theta. So here we can use one identity. This is a square minus b square. Formula we know, a plus b into a minus b. Just for the proof we are using like this. Now in the numerator we have 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by, after using this formula here you will get 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now 1 minus cos theta we can cancel, remaining you have 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this only we have to prove here. So hence LHS equal to RHS. Hope that you understand this. We have taken LHS side and we proved the RHS. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. And the formulas are very important. If you know the formulas only, will understand these questions. Okay, so let's go to the second option. So here we have the second option, cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to, we have to prove 2 secant a. So here we cannot apply any reciprocal formula. So what we can do, just do cross multiplication. So cos a into cos a, you will get cos square a plus 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, you will get 1 plus sin a whole square, like a into a square in that model, by 1 plus sin a into cos a equal to, that we have to prove. Actually we are taking here LHS side. Okay, now let's apply here one identity. we have the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If you want cos square theta value, let's take sine square opposite. Then cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta we can apply. So when you use this identity, you will get instead of cos square a, you can apply this. So you will get 1 minus sine square theta in plus 1 plus sine a, it's not theta, it's letter a, okay, sine a whole square by 1 plus sine a into cos a. Okay, in the next step we can write this 1 can be written as 1 square. Okay, then when you write here, you will get like this 1 square minus sine square a, because 1 square value 1 only for the proof, we are taking like this, into plus we have here 1 plus sine a whole square. Now here we can use one identity, a square minus b square identity. We know our formula, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, the denominator plus I didn't write here, I'll write here this formula for this. Okay, by 1 plus sine a into cos a. The green color which I have written here, that's the formula we are using. That should be in the rough column only, don't write here. Just for your understanding, I'm writing there. Okay, then when you apply this formula there, you will get 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a plus 1 plus sine a whole square. By denominator you have 1 plus sine a into cos a. See, in the numerator 1 plus sine a you can take common outside. If you take common outside 1 plus sine a, you're taking common outside, then remaining you have here 1 minus sine a plus, in this 1 plus sine a we took already outside, remaining it will be 1 plus sine a. Okay, this we are taking common terms outside by 1 plus sine a into cos a. 1 plus sine a, 1 plus sine a we can cancel, plus sine a minus sine a also cancel, remaining you have 1 plus 1 2 by cos a. Now we know the reciprocal, cos theta reciprocal 1 by secant. If you want secant theta reciprocal 1 by cos theta. So instead of 1 by cos theta we can take secant theta. So here 2 by cos a is there. So if you use this formula you will get 2 secant a. So this only we have to prove, hence LHS equal to RHS. Hope that you understand this. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. And again I am telling you, please learn all this formula. If you know the formula only, will understand all this. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video we will discuss 2 more questions in the 5th Roman. Thank you.